Hello children. In the elastic we are doing now elastic collision in two dimension. Let us consider object A and B having mass m1 and m2. The velocity of the object A is u1, velocity of the object B is u2. After collision, let the object A having mass m1 moving with velocity v1, which makes an angle theta with x-axis, and the object B having mass m2 moving with velocity v2 makes an angle phi with the x-axis. According to the property of elastic collision, we can write kinetic energy is conserved. Therefore, kinetic energy before collision half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square is equal to kinetic energy after collision half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square. Taking out half common from both sides, so we can write m1 u1 square plus m2 u2 square is equal to m1 v1 square plus m2 v2 square. Now, linear momentum is conserved. Before the collision, both the objects are moving along x-axis. So, before collision, linear momentum along x-axis, we can write m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Now, object having velocity v1, angle theta, we can resolve v1 into two components. This is v1 cos theta, and along y-axis we can write v1 sin theta. For the second object m2 having velocity v2 makes angle phi, we can write here this is v2 cos phi, and here this is v2, this is sin phi. So now after collision, momentum along x-axis, it is m1 v1 cos theta plus m2 v2 cos phi. Now along y-axis, before collision, both the objects are moving in the x-axis only. So before collision, momentum along y-axis, that will be 0, because along y-axis their velocity will be 0. After collision, momentum along y-axis, it is m1 v1 sin theta minus m2 v2, this is sin phi. So this is the required expression to find the kinetic energy which is conserved and the linear momentum which is conserved.